Welcome back to See My Review. I'm so excited today because we're unboxing one of the most highly anticipated sneakers, the Louis Vuitton LV Skate Sneaker Black-White. As soon as you hold this box in your hands, you can feel the premium quality of the packaging. The box itself feels luxurious, just like the sneaker inside. But let's not waste any more time. Let's open it up and see what we're working with. These sneakers are a work of art. The Louis Vuitton LV Skate sneaker is a beautiful blend of modern streetwear and high fashion. The black and white colorway creates a bold yet balanced look, making these sneakers perfect for any occasion. Whether you're heading to a casual outing or something a bit more formal, these shoes will elevate your style instantly. They're not just about looks, though. These sneakers are designed for comfort, too. The materials are soft but durable, and the cushioned sole ensures a comfortable fit all day long. Plus, Louis Vuitton's iconic branding on the heel and tongue adds a touch of prestige that really makes a statement. I know you're probably wondering where you can get your hands on a pair of these amazing sneakers. Well, you're in luck. I've got all the details for you. If you're a sneaker enthusiast or a fashion lover on the hunt for high-quality gear without breaking the bank, let me put you onto highfoot.ru, a top-tier destination that's quickly becoming a favorite in the streetwear community. This site offers an impressive selection of sneakers, from the latest drops to timeless classics, along with a curated range of fashion items that blend style, comfort, and authenticity. Whether you're into Jordans, Yeezys, Dunks, or designer collaborations, highfoot.ru has something that'll match your vibe, and the best part? The prices are surprisingly affordable, making premium style accessible to everyone. What really sets highfoot.ru apart is their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. Every product is carefully checked for authenticity, so you can shop with confidence knowing you're getting the real deal. They offer secure payment methods, lightning-fast shipping, and a super responsive customer service team that genuinely cares about your experience. I've personally had a smooth, hassle-free experience ordering from them. From checkout to unboxing, everything felt premium. Whether you're copping your next grail or just looking to upgrade your fit, highfoot.ru delivers big on style, trust, and value. So if you're serious about sneakers and fashion, this is one site you need to check out. There's a website right now that's offering these Louis Vuitton LV Skate sneakers at an exclusive sale price. And it gets even better. If you check out the link in the description below, you'll find all the info you need, including the website link, social media accounts, contact numbers, and more. It's super easy to navigate, and you can purchase these sneakers directly from the site. Don't miss out on the opportunity to grab these high-end sneakers at a great deal. That's it for today's unboxing and review of the Louis Vuitton LV Skate Sneaker Black-White. I hope you enjoyed this video and got a good look at these stunning sneakers. Remember, all the details you need to purchase them are in the description below, so make sure to check that out. And as always, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to See My Review, and click the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest sneaker unboxings and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.